Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Bismillah, alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala ashrafil mursalin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in amma ba'd. So we discuss about another discipline, most familiar discipline of knowledge, that is psychology. Firstly, we discuss about the word psychology, from which language it comes. So the word psychology is derived from two Greek words, psyche meaning the mind, soul or spirit, and logos meaning discourse or to study. So psychology is meaning study of mind or soul or spirit, and its definition is psychology is the study of the mind and behavior. It studies about the mind, how it works and how it affects behavior. So it is the study about the mind, how it works, how it affect or affect to our behavior, like that. And Plato says that the brain is where mental process take place. But Aristotle say that not brain, it is heart is where mental process take place. They argue Plato argue that brain, mind, we in this my brain is the most important, but Aristotle argue heart is most important. Ibn Sina studied and treated epilepsy, nightmares, and poor memory. So Ibn Sina, most famous Muslim scholar, he studied about psychology and epilepsy, nightmares, and poor memory. In 1774, Franz Mesmer proposed that hypnosis or mesmerism might help cure some types of mental illness. So Franz Mesmer, he founded an method to cure some types of mental ill, and Wilhelm Wundt founded psychology. So the father of psychology is the Wilhelm Wundt, and he founded that psychology is the independent experimental field of study. It is independent field of our study, and Sigmund Freud introduced the field of psychoanalysis. So Sigmund Freud is founded or introduced the psychoanalyzing. And psychology treats a patient through psychotherapy, helping to relieve symptoms through behavior. But the role of psychiatrist is the medical doctor describe meditation and other to manage mental health condition. So this is the difference between psychology and psychiatrist. Psychology, it treats a patient through psychotherapy, but as a psychiatrist, it is a medical doctor for describing medical meditation and other. And next we discuss about branches of psychology. Firstly, clinical psychology. It is we can understand, prevent, and alleviate disease cause mental stress. And other branch, cognitive psychology, that investigate internal mental problems. And evolutionary psychology, it looks how human behavior works. And forensic psychology, it related to investigation to criminal and law and applying psychology on that. So forensic psychology is psychology applying on criminal and law psychology. And health psychology, so health psychology is behavioral medicine or medicinal. It observe how behavior, biology, and social conduct influence illness. And sixth branch of psychology is neuropsychology. It looks at the distract function at brain. seventh branch of psychology is occupational psychology. So, in occupational psychology, psychologists are involved in assessing and making recommendation about the performance of people at work and training. And other branch is social psychology, so usually used to understand scientific method how social influences in that human behavior. And developmental psychology, it is the scientific study of systematic psychological changes. And other branches include in military psychology, consumer psychology, educational psychology, and environmental psychology. And there is some theories are famous in psychology. Firstly, behaviorism, it is focused on how people learn new behavior from the environment. So behave in behaviorism, it discuss about how a human uh, learn a new behavior from environment. And secondly, humanism theory, the humanist movement puts high value on the emotions, free will, and a subjective view of experience. So humanism discuss about emotions and free will, like that. And famous theory, cognitive theory, it is cognitive theory is applied to language, memory, learning, perceptual system, mental disorder, and dreams. So cognitive theory discuss about how this how a human, how its language, how its is memory, and how learn how occur in human a mental disorder. So we discuss about psychology and its branch and its definitions and famous theories in psychology. So let's wind up. Wa akhir dawana alhamdulillah. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah.